Hey, this is Trey with How and Trey Go Too Far. Today, I'm making home style banana pudding. And what I mean by home style is I'm going to show you how to make a delicious banana pudding that tastes just like grandma's, but with a lot less elbow grease. And friends, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, friends, for my banana pudding, I used a 9.5 by 13-inch dish. Also, the box of vanilla or banana pudding that you use should read cook and serve on the box. This will give you that old-fashioned style pudding and the option to eat it hot or cold. Pudding can scorch easily, so keep it medium to low heat and do not leave the pot. Once your pudding has reached the consistency that you see here, stir in your butter and vanilla. Your pudding does not have to cool completely. Ta-da! We're ready to assemble. You don't need me for this part, my good cooks. Now that you have your banana pudding assembled, allow it to cool and set. Don't worry about those cookies being hard. They'll be sweet and tender. Alrighty, it's that time. Let me take a taste. Wow, sirs, that's delicious.